Welcome to Team Tiggio Court TV, where we upload videos every single day. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share our videos.
There it is. Play.
Yes. Thank you. He's on water.
There is the original charge. I'm going to take this back to you. I need some clarification on this one. Mr. Carmen, your appearance. Let me call the case again. Alicia Marie Craig, 25W8386885A and B. Your appearance.
Michael A. Carmen, 73824 on behalf of Defendant.
Ma'am, your name.
Alicia Craig.
All right, so today is the date scheduled for arraignment on an operating with the presence of drugs and drive while suspended, revoked, denied. For purposes of arraignment, how does she wish to proceed?
Your Honor, she'll stand here and wait the formal reading.
Okay, I'm entering a not guilty plea, ma'am. I'm going to give you a $1,000 personal bond. She does not have any prior. Oh, yes, she does have a prior in 2020, right?
I believe that was out of state, yes.
Yes, okay.
I mean, it still counts. I just want you to know that.
No, it does.
Okay. All right. $1,000 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. No alcohol, no illegal drugs. You're not to purchase, possess, or consume any one of those. No contact with prosecution witnesses. Attend NA at least twice a week in person. We're going to give you a form. You have to go in person every time you go. You have to have the form signed every time you come to court. You have to bring the form with you. So again, no alcohol, marijuana, or illegal drugs. NA twice a week. No contact with prosecution witnesses. We're going to give you a new date. It's going to be what, October 1 again, Lisa?
9:30.
At 9:30, okay?
Your Honor, my client is prescribed marijuana for chronic pain and anxiety. She uses it 3 times a day. She's been prescribed since 2017. Can she use that while on bond?
Is that a medical marijuana card?
It is, but I believe hers is expired.
Well, I can't.
The only reason I did not renew it is because it became
Hang on.
legal.
I can't give you permission to use marijuana when you don't have a medical marijuana card. I can't do that. I mean, that's like me, the judge saying it's all right to do. No, I just can't. I'm sorry.
If she gets it renewed and valid, can she?
Well, if she gets it renewed and you guys bring it up, I will certainly give her,
Just
ma'am,
pornography.
hang on.
I don't think.
Hang on. I don't think we should talk about this much now. You've got it looks like marijuana was the culprit here, right? Ma'am, let me just talk to your lawyer. I don't want you to say anything. Well, I don't want you to say anything against your, right, against your interest here.
Respect.
It looks like marijuana was the primary culprit in this, right?
That's what's
So now
left.
you're asking me to say it's okay for her to use marijuana when she got charged with operating with the presence of drugs. I'm not doing it. Now, I don't overrule voters or the legislature, okay? She gets a valid medical marijuana card, you guys can renew your request, but this scares me because you can't go out and drive around with it in your system like that. So that's what I'm doing. NA twice a week, no alcohol, marijuana, or illegal drugs. You cannot leave the state. You cannot violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. You're going to have to fill out a petition for a court-appointed lawyer going forward here. Okay, ma'am? Do you understand that?
No, go figure it out.
Well, this lawyers are appointed for arraignment. If the rest of the representation is based on indigency, so you have to disclose your income and fill out that form. I'll look at it. I'll be glad to appoint you one if you qualify, okay? Thank you.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, what was the next court date?
October 1 at, what'd you say, 9:30, Lisa?
Yes, 9:30.
Yeah. Okay? Thanks, 38685 A and B. Slow down. You gotta slow down.
Can I get?
No, just slow down. Tell me your name.
Alicia Craig.
Blake Carmen, 73824 on behalf of
You can go to AA twice a week. You can go to NA twice a week. If it's more of a drug problem, you should probably go to NA. And you can go to any combination. I cannot permit you, I will not permit somebody who comes in here on a drug driving involving marijuana to use marijuana when they don't have a medical marijuana card.
That's not what I'm asking, Your Honor.
What do you ask?
I'm asking, I just would like to speak instead of being yelled at.
Am I yelling at
Not
you?
him when he's got upset. He's supposed to be working for me. I'm just trying to understand, you even talk to me.
Ma'am,
I'm asking if I come back.
ma'am, let's back it down. Let's back it down.
Yes. I'm asking when I come back on my court hearing, when I drop, there will still be marijuana in my system.
You don't need to worry about that. You're making admissions against, hang on. You're making admissions against your interests, which is what I just told you you shouldn't do, and I think your lawyer did, because all I know is they think in the citation that there was marijuana. Now,
Yeah.
it was marijuana's involved. So why in the world would you come up here and start telling me you're going to test positive for marijuana? Don't do it. You're not a lawyer. I know we get at least 7 people in here every day that think they can be lawyers. They can't be. I've seen maybe one do it slightly average in my 31 years on the bench and 41 years as a lawyer. So you just gotta relax. Nobody's asking you to test anything right now. I never said you're gonna test.
No. Because I'm scared because of yesterday.
What happened yesterday?
I spoke 3 times a day that we had said, and I don't want to get in trouble. When I come back to court, I'm scared to get in trouble. You guys,
Hold on. What happened yesterday? Do you know?
I spoke marijuana 3 times a day, and
Ma'am.
that's all. And I just wanted to clear.
Ma'am, why are you coming up here and admitting this to me? You got a lawyer.
He said,
Stop. Stop. Ma'am, just let everybody do their job here. Nobody's going to be unfair with you. Why would you come in here and tell me this on the record when you got a marijuana drug charge? A drug driving charge? You don't have any business telling me this. Don't tell me this stuff. I don't want to know about it. You tell your lawyer. And then he can tell me what he wants to say and what he knows is going to hurt you, not say, etc.
And Your Honor, that's why I didn't speak previously, that my client just used medical marijuana.
She can't use medical marijuana because she,
Until today. It's been prescribed her since 2017 for back pain. And
that's great. She's going to have to get a medical marijuana card.
I understand, that's what I.
And then I'm still going to have some issues, but we'll see. I mean, I'm concerned about this. The more I hear, the more concerned I get. And you had one 4 or 5 years ago. You're going to have a revoked license, ma'am. If you get convicted of impaired or OWI, you're going to have a revoked license.
yes, sir.
You're not going to be able to drive from here to that council table right there. You're not going to be able to do anything except have somebody in the driver's seat and you push the car. Stop telling me these things. Talk to your lawyer. I did not say one thing about testing. You put me in a position where I probably have to order testing now.
Let me just clarify, sorry.
Your lawyer knows. He's been in here.
Sorry, and if I may, I just noticed on my schedule, I'm not here October 1st.
Well, whoever is going to be the lawyer here is going to handle the case.
Just want to clarify.
Okay?
Make sure that our lawyer gets his cover.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Mr. Croft.